Are you ready to take your Logitech G PRO X headset to a whole nother level? My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm very proud to announce to you our new wcFreeze V2 cooling gel earpads specifically made for the Logitech G PRO X and G PRO X2. In today's video, I'm going to show you the differences between the other earpads we have and the new wcFreeze V2, as well as showing you how to install the earpad. So let's start the video. Okay, so this is the Logitech G PRO X first version. It's going to be the same for the G PRO X2, but on the headset right now, obviously these are not the stock cushions. This is an earlier iteration of the version 2 FreeZe cushions that we made. This is not the final one. The final one is right here, and I am going to show you some of the differences right now. All right. So if you know our wcFreeze cushions from other headsets or some models that you tried maybe on your own G PRO X, we have now changed the fabric that goes on the earpad. We used to use airweave fabric, and we found a much cooler fabric. So not only is the cooling gel inside the pad going to do some cooling work, the fabric itself is already cold from the get-go. Even if you didn't have gel inside, the fabric itself would feel colder than what we had before. Before, we used to have fabric only on top. We now added it to the inside. So you have fabric on the inside, fabric on top, and PU leather on the sides. Now, what is so different in the new G PRO X wcFreeze V2? What I explained to you so far was about the new cooling gel materials that we're using. However, the G PRO X headset, as you know, doesn't have much swivel, unfortunately. When you don't have much swivel on the headset, you get moments where your ear is not totally sealed out. So what you want to have to compensate for it is an angled cushion. So I don't know if you can tell, you probably cannot because the lighting is not that well, but on the inside of the new pads, kind of like the same with the original G PRO, you have L and R writing marking which side is which. The reason why you have to use them is because the ear pad is angled. I'll try to get a look for you right here. As you can see, this side right here is thinner than this side right here. This side right here, what I have is the left side cushion. This side right here goes on the back of your head. This side right here goes on your temple. By making the cushion angled in such a way, we were able to solve the sealing issues on the G PRO X, or for that matter, any headset that doesn't have a swivel mechanism on their hinges. So that is pretty much the differences, and obviously between the original G PRO X, this is a much thicker and much larger cushion. Now, let me just show you how to install them, which is pretty easy. You've probably seen me how I've done it before, but it's a slip-on, slip-off earpad. As you've seen with the first earpad, I just pulled it out. The way you want to install this one is, this is the left side, obviously. So we want to install it, of course, on the left side, which we'll tell you right here on the speaker cup. You have a backside lip that goes right here, and you have a gap. Simply going to fit the backside lip. I usually use the corner, the backside lip into the gap. Then you're going to hold it with your free hand so it stays in place. And at the same time, you're going to take your other hand and pull the cushion, and don't be afraid to pull it because it's very flexible. Once you pull it, you are going to go around and continue pulling it until the backside lip goes fully inside that space. And as you can see, I'm putting quite a lot of pressure on it. So it's not always perfect for me. So here we go, we'll do another try. Get to see this live. that is it. You see, even me, that I've done this literally 1,000 times, even for me, it can be challenging sometimes. After you've installed it and put it inside the gap, you're simply going to give it a slight left and right shuffle so it goes in deeper. And that is it. You have installed it. And these are the new G PRO X wcFreeze V2 cushions. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.